Understanding warm breeze, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, warm breeze. This is a common expression in English, often used to describe a certain type of weather. Let's dive in and learn more about it. Warm breeze refers to a gentle wind that is pleasantly warm. This phrase combines two words, warm, which means having a moderate level of heat, and breeze, which is a light, soft wind. Together, they describe a wind that is not too hot, but comfortably warm, often associated with pleasant weather conditions. The phrase, warm breeze, is often used in weather forecasts, poetry, and everyday conversation to describe a soothing and mild wind. For example, I love sitting on the porch in the evening, feeling the warm breeze. The warm breeze at the beach was perfect for a day of relaxation. This phrase is ideal for expressing a sense of comfort and enjoyment associated with mild weather. Warm breeze is a popular phrase in literature and media, used to set a peaceful or romantic scene. Here are a couple of examples. In a novel, she walked through the garden, the warm breeze rustling the leaves softly. In a movie, a scene where characters enjoy a picnic under the sun, with a warm breeze blowing. These examples show how the phrase can evoke a sense of tranquility and contentment. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, warm breeze. It's a beautiful expression that brings to mind pleasant weather and peaceful moments. Keep practicing your English, and soon you'll be using phrases like this with ease. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.